Okay, welcome to everyone. Today I'm working in a mall and I'm going to show you how to extract information from Tana. If you are a Tana user, maybe you can find useful this video because it lets you extract the structure information from your Tana workspace in a single CSV file with the information you want, the fields, the name, the node, the created, the datetime, the stuff like that in a readable form that you can all after using maybe to your database or maybe to make some kind of dashboard, anything you want with a CSV file. My name is Charlie Chacon and welcome to this video.
Okay, let's begin for the first. The first is explaining the problem. Tana is an awesome tool. It lets us to create awesome information. For example, I can save here ideas and I can give it a conclusion. I can make a lot of things. I can add prompts. I can maybe structure my information using a well organized template. But the problem comes when we want to extract this information. For example, I'm gonna download the JSON from my workspace and I'm gonna open it in Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's see this JSON. We have a lot of information. We have different nodes with different children, but see the structure. All these dictionaries are a single node with an ID, with different props, different names, but notice something. We don't have tags. Any of these nodes have another tag. For example, let's search for the administration node. It doesn't have a tag appended. We can add, we can extract information using the tags, and the tags are a lot of important in Tana because we structure the information using the tags. So the problem is that we need some kind of script, some kind of things to extract information from the JSON, and that's what I do in this script. I use the children to reach the parent node using a single field. I'm gonna explain you now the solution to this problem. So how it works? Basically, I just need to create a tag. For example, in this case, I will create a tag to store the. I already have different tags. For example, we can use the tag ideas. I am saving different ideas here. Something that I think that will happen. Something like that. It doesn't matter the kind of thing you are saving. The most important thing is that this has a structure. It has information that would be useful for us. Perfect. I have this tag idea and I add another field that has the tag. This distractions block. It has the same name of the tag added with a string that I called the extraction slug, the extraction keyword. This extractor of here is just as simple. And now I can use this field to reach the information to this node. Let me show you how it works. In this case, I have, for example, another tag here called problem that already have this extractor here. And for example, another tag called movie where I save a review, a status, the rating to the movie, if I see or not the movie still, stuff like that. And let's extract this information from the JSON. Okay, to extract the information from the JSON, I just need to follow a few steps. First, I need to know if I want to extract all the information from my workspace or I just want to extract um, some information. Let me show you how it works. First, I need to download the JSON. I already done so. Let's pass to the next step. First, you need this script here. I will let you the link to the repository maybe, and you need to clone here. Open your Visual Studio Code. Git clone. Let me do it. Git clone. Okay, there is. Tana Extractor. Perfect. I will enter inside the Tana Extractor and I will open it here, but I will move it these JSONs first. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now I will move this JSON into this folder here, and I will rename it. I already have another JSON here. I will rename it as Charlie Talk JSON, and I will go to main.py function. Here in the main.py function, I go to the end of the file and I just need to add the variables. In this case, I just need to add the file name, the directory where I'm saving the information, the extraction keyword, and the tags I want to extract information. Let's suppose I just want the information from the movie tag. Okay, I just leave here the movie, I run the script, python main.py, and that's all. A CSV with information from the movies, the name of the node, the tag of the node, and the fields that are inside the node. This was watch it. Has a rating. Has a review. This is pending and that doesn't have any more fields. They created that daytime. Let's see the JSON. Let's search, for example, Barbie. You see it? It is not easy to read this data. It is not easy to extract information from this field because we just have the children in this way. So this script lets us extract information using a field of the node that you won't even notice if you already added. Also, you can automate this process, adding a command and stuff like that. And also you can specify just nothing and you will have all the information that contains the structure keyword, this structure here. So that's the useful, that's how this can be useful. You can extract just single information from a tag, for example, or you can extract all the information from your workspace if you have this field in each tag. That's all I wanted to show you today.